Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Rabby wallet. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is firstly open your browser, then just simply search for Rabby wallet. Then after that just simply open this first link right over here. Now what you have to do is you will have few options. You can download for extension in a Chrome. You can download the desktop application which you will have the option in Mac series and Windows, or you can also get the application in your Android or iOS device too. So in this video, I will be downloading the application on an extension. So just simply click on download for Chrome or whatever extension you're using. Then all you have to do is just simply click on add to Chrome, then click on add extension. After that, just simply wait for a few seconds. And then you will find your Rabby wallet right over here. Now just simply pin it to your status bar over here. Now open Rabby wallet. And a pop-up like this should appear. Now after that, just simply click on next and click on get started. Now over here you will have few options which you can use to create a new account. Like for example, you can create a new account using new seed phrases, or if you want you can import your MetaMask account into your Rabby wallet. Now this is the most easiest part. Now what you will do is just simply choose any one of the option and then just simply set a strong password. After that click on next. Now you can watch a simple video of how you can import your MetaMask account into Rabby wallet, or you can just simply choose import seed phrase right over here. Now wait for a few seconds, and now once this page will be open, all you have to do is go to your MetaMask account, then just simply write down your phrases right over here. In order to see your phrases, just simply click on these three dots, then settings, then security and privacy, and then just simply choose recovery phrase and then enter the phrase right over here. Now if you have a 24-word phrase, just simply choose 24 word right over here, or whatever word phrase you have, just simply choose it from this option. Now just simply fill up the entire area and click on confirm. Once you've filled the entire section, just simply click on confirm. Then just simply add your address by enabling this option, and if you want you can also add multiple addresses if you want, and then click on done. And after that your MetaMask wallet should be linked with your Rabby wallet, as you can see, and you have successfully created your account. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.